My journey with eye problems began 3 years ago when screen time and stress left me with chronically dry, irritated eyes. Expensive eye drops provided only temporary relief, while the underlying issues worsened. That's when my grandmother shared her simple solution that changed everything. Castor oil isn't just another trending ingredient. It's been used for centuries across cultures as a natural remedy for various ailments. What fascinated me was discovering the science behind why this thick golden oil works so effectively for eye health. The transformative power of castor oil lies in its unique composition. Rich in ricinoleic acid, this naturally occurring fatty acid possesses remarkable anti-inflammatory properties. Research published in the Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences demonstrates how this compound reduces inflammation in tissues, potentially explaining its soothing effect on irritated eyes. When applied around the eyes, castor oil creates a protective barrier that prevents moisture loss. Unlike commercial products containing preservatives and chemicals, pure castor oil mimics your natural tear film. This similarity allows it to integrate with your body's systems rather than just masking symptoms. The first improvement I noticed was significantly reduced dryness. Within days, that painful sandy feeling disappeared as the oil helped restore my tear film stability. A study from the International Journal of Ophthalmology suggests that fatty acids similar to those in castor oil can increase tear production naturally. Dark under-eye circles gradually lighten something no expensive cream had accomplished. This happened because castor oil improves circulation when gently massaged into the thin skin beneath eyes. Better blood flow means less pooling that causes that dreaded shadowy appearance. What surprised me most was the improvement in floaters, those annoying specks that drift across your vision. While no official studies directly link castor oil to floater reduction, many users report decreased visibility of floaters after consistent use. This might relate to its anti-inflammatory effects, reducing general eye irritation. For those concerned about early cataract symptoms, some preliminary research suggests that antioxidants and fatty acids, like those found in castor oil, may help protect lens cells from oxidative damage. While not a cure, these protective properties might contribute to overall eye health maintenance. Another unexpected benefit was thicker, longer eyelashes. The same nourishing properties that help eye tissues also strengthen hair follicles. My lashes became noticeably fuller after 3 weeks of application, providing a natural protective barrier for my eyes. Here's my grandmother's simple method that changed everything. Always use only hexane-free, cold-pressed, organic castor oil. Lower quality oils may contain irritating solvents that could damage delicate eye tissues. Before bedtime, wash your hands thoroughly and ensure your face is clean and makeup-free. Even tiny amounts of cosmetics can interfere with absorption. Place a small drop, about rice grain-sized, on your fingertip and gently warm it by rubbing between fingers. This transforms the thick oil into a more easily applicable consistency. Apply carefully along the lower lash line, never directly into eyes. Your body heat will naturally allow the oil to spread thinly. Blink gently to distribute it further. For external issues like dark circles, massage a tiny amount using your ring finger in gentle circular motions around the orbital bone, avoiding getting it into the eye. Consistency proved crucial. Benefits appeared gradually but lasted substantially longer than quick fix solutions. Within 3 weeks of nightly application, my chronic dryness significantly improved. While castor oil shows promising benefits, individual responses vary based on specific conditions and sensitivity. What worked wonders for my dryness might produce different results for others. Always perform a patch test before full application to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction. For severe or persistent eye conditions, consult an ophthalmologist before trying any home remedy. Castor oil should complement, not replace, professional medical advice. Never use castor oil if you have active eye infections, open wounds, or immediately after eye surgery. These situations require specialized medical treatment. Perhaps most importantly, quality matters tremendously. I discovered that certified organic, cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil provides the purest benefits without potentially harmful chemicals found in conventional processing. Tracking changes systematically helped me recognize patterns and improvement. I noted morning dryness levels, irritation frequency, and even photographed my eyes weekly to document visible changes in redness and dark circles.